Want to access all standard SAP reports in one place? Let me show you a hidden gem. In your SAP system, just enter a transaction code SAP1. Boom. You will see a single screen with all standard reports grouped by module, whether it's MM, SD, FI, or others. Just take an example. I am opening the material management section where you will find all those reports for the purchasing. Okay, let's say for the purchase order, you can see these are the important reports. For the inventory management, if you just open this one, ME51 transaction. This trick can save your time and improve your navigation skill. Perfect for beginners and pros alike. For more detailed SAP videos, tips and real-time scenarios, subscribe to my channel and level up your SAP game. Thank you so much.